After Bitcoin appeared, a few cryptographic money projects showed some signs of life. Most came to cut out their own way, however some came to endeavor to further develop Bitcoin and its purposes. The digital money world developed quickly, with so much competitors as Litecoin, Ripple, and Ethercoin jumping in with both feet. In any case, Ethereum was not the same as the others, as it wasn't only worked for installments however, could be viewed as a supercomputer that considers savvy agreements to be used. This permits the engineers to construct decentralized applications, as there is compelling reason need to screen counterparty risk. The shrewd agreement satisfies anything that conditions are settled on consequently. Ethereum is a layer 1 arrangement, implying that it has its own blockchain. Moreover, a few different tasks have been based on top of it, from decentralized finance applications to non-fungible symbolic ventures. Since such countless biological systems are based on top of Ethereum, the interest for ETH, the local token, is ordinarily very high. ERC-20 tokens, or ones based on the Ethereum blockchain, are very normal in digital money. While a large number of the first contenders to Bitcoin are useless today, Ethereum has reliably been the second most significant cryptographic money on the planet. This guide plans to walk you through the motivations behind why Ethereum is a wise venture, how you can put resources into Ethereum, create gains on transient vacillations, make sense of the multitude of upsides and downsides of Ethereum contributing, and that's just the beginning. Ethereum investing. What is it? Ethereum speculation is putting resources into the future money, as Ethereum is a savvy contract stage with grandiose objectives. One of its elevated objectives incorporates supplanting Wall Street and has proactively begun to see organization offers and securities tokenized on the organization as a component of some deals. Ethereum's true capacity is substantially more surprising than even Bitcoin's. This is on the grounds that it goes about as a stage for designers to fabricate and enhance through proceeding with research. The new decentralized finance, or DeFi, pattern is one region worth looking as it considers a better approach to move toward banking. DeFi will permit permissionless loaning and getting as opposed to managing a customary bank. The shrewd agreement permits different arrangements without counterparty risk, in contrast to the conventional financial framework. This additionally permits the capacity to loan and acquire without outsider expenses or obstruction. The NFT blast, or non-fungible tokens, is additionally a fundamental piece of the Ethereum cost development, as a large portion of them are based on some sort of Ethereum Brilliant Agreement standard. ETH is utilized to pay gas expenses for Ethereum and other Layer 2 arrangements. This has been an essential driver of Ethereum's cost, having it outflanked Bitcoin and most other cryptographic forms of money in 2021. Is Ethereum a good investment? How it performed in 2021. 2021 was areas of strength for Ethereum, as it hit its record-breaking high of $4,735 in November. The establishment late in 2020 fundamentally added to the run higher, as the business sectors had leaped out of a crypto winter prior that year. The DeFi blast proceeded, with more than $100 million in complete worth being secured. NFT commercial centers additionally saw outstanding development as the air pocket in NFTs hit full step. The Ethereum 2.0 update kept on being carried out however, has been delayed in its execution. The update ought to help adaptability and gas charges, taking into consideration longer-term achievement. Putting resources into Ethereum in 2022. Is it a good idea? 2022 has been merciless on most crypto markets. Ethereum has been unpredictable because of many issues, not the least of which incorporate the by and large monetary state of business actors. Risk craving has been killed, and consequently crypto has endured. In any case, it ought to be noticed that gigantic sell-offs are the same old thing in crypto. In 2021, the all-out esteem secured in the Ethereum network had accomplished more than $90 billion, and request ought to just ascent over the more drawn-out term. Almost 25% of all ETH available for use is secured in savvy contracts, with a huge portion of that consigned to the ETH 2.0 marking address. An update named EIP 1559 ought to hypothetically cause ETH supply to be a lot more difficult to find over the long run. The capacity for Ethereum to be such countless things over the long haul has Wall Street paying heed, in this way carrying institutional cash into the market. That being said, Ethereum and the remainder of crypto have shown themselves to have a high connection with risk-hunger resources, for example, stocks and a few fates markets. Ethereum Fundamental Analysis. Decentralized finance is a pattern that has assisted Ethereum with proceeding to fortify its utilization case. The Ethereum biological system has been developing for quite a while, as the capacity to work with shrewd agreements has a ton of financial backers amped up for the eventual fate of the organization. Most measurements of the Ethereum network have developed, particularly the quantity of Ethereum wallet addresses. The Ethereum 2.0 redesign is being carried out to battle network blockage, one of the greatest grievances about Ethereum. This ought to drive down gas expenses and grow the utilization case situation. How much ETH hung on trades has fallen, proposing many will clutch Ethereum. Ethereum Technical Analysis. Crypto markets, and likewise Ethereum, are exceptionally impacted by specialized examination. The image for Ethereum and the remainder of the digital currency world experienced a huge plunge in mid-2022. In any case, this is the same old thing for Ethereum, and it has seen an eagerness to keep crushing higher, even after 2 or 3 crypto winters. This is the point at which the cost of crypto apparently goes no place after a critical fall. This is another speculation region that ought to be remembered when you check outlines. There will be a couple of developing torments en route. In this manner, you want to conclude whether you will exchange or contribute. A large number of the more effective crypto fans can do both. They will hold some in a wallet and exchange different coins. This considers unadulterated cost theory without taking guardianship. The new sell-off is best taken a gander at through the crystal of the more drawn-out term graphs. The market fell sharply from late 2021 to mid-2022. In any case, it is significant that this has occurred previously, just to see the market make considerably more elevated levels once the residue settles. Ethereum Sentiment Analysis. With a blast of DeFi and NFT markets, Ethereum opinion took off in 2021. In any case, Ethereum will likewise be defenseless to outside issues, including financial strategy and expansion. While crypto is as yet a region that ought to keep on growing over the long haul, actually in 2021 a great deal of institutional cash came into the market. Along these lines, opinion examination is a piece not quite the same as it used to be. The Federal Reserve has been entering a fixing cycle because of inflationary worries. This has featured the switch of drivers for the market, as foundations are considerably more prone to put resources into securities or even US dollars.